What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're going to do another update on Archblock ABT, which is up 9.1%. We did chart it yesterday, about 24 hours ago, and said we need to keep an eye on that $2.40 resistance area. It does look like we're currently overtaking that, which means the push to the upside could be the next play, that inevitable play that we talked about with some massive upside potential. $240 million market cap, 98 million coins in circulation out of 186. All-time high was 4 hours ago. We hit that all-time high today. That's amazing. That prior all-time high was a heavy resistance area, but we smashed through it. We went up to 254 before we saw some sort of rejection. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ABT. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ABT, new all-time high today. We broke our prior one. Now, this is our support area at 225. You do not want to fall below 225. If you fall below 225, it's going to get bad. Bad news bears. I don't think that's going to happen. I just need to warn you guys, 225 is your main support. We broke through our prior all-time high with ease today. It looks like just a solid green candle right through it. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, we probably hit some sort of see, we hit resistance earlier on the 4th, and we hit resistance earlier today before we finally broke above it. So ABT is now in price discovery mode, believe it or not. And if we draw from the top to the bottom right here, our next main resistance area could be up at around that $3 range. I think yesterday I said $3 to $4 range. I think we're going to be looking for around $3 as our next main resistance area for ABT. Now, normally when you break out above an all-time high, just to give you guys a little warning, you normally come back down to test it as support. So in the short term, that's what we could be seeing here. You see our all-time high was back at like what did I say? Like 225, 240. We could be coming back down the back test that prior high support. If it holds, then we can start rallying to the upside. And it kind of looks like that's what we're doing right now. So keep an eye on that. If we do happen to break below, we're going back on the 225, but indicators look juiced up. We're bullish here on the MACD on the 4-hour, bullish on the RSI, bullish on the WTX. The 1-day chart looks even better. Nice engulfing candle today. You can see the orange and blue are diverting apart, which is pretty bullish. When you see the blue start spreading out wider than the orange, such as, for example, you see how the blues goes this way and this starts going like that, that's when bullish momentum starts really kicking in, guys. So we're gearing up for it. RSI is not overbought yet. We just put it in a higher high. You can see we kind of are making this reverse. Hopefully we don't do something like that, but I don't think we will. This reverse expanding wedge. And then you have the WTX in the red. We haven't printed a sell signal yet, so we're going to monitor that closely. When we get a sell signal, we'll be a little bit more hesitant on taking profits. But in the meantime, I think $3 is the next resistance area. Then if we overtake that $4 range that we talked about yesterday is going to be at play. So right now, just keep an eye on the price, guys. We have to stay above 225. I'd have to say stay above 225. If we break below 225, it's bad news bears. There's a good chance we could come back down to, that 240 range where we're currently at, test that out, and then rally. I think that's going to be the play here for ABT, guys. So with that, I don't think I have anything else more to say. So yeah, see, that's that 225 right there at the 786. So yeah, I really don't have too much to say. ABT is bullish. Next main resistance area is $3. I do think there's a chance that we could see, that slight confirmation of support or resistance flip support, since this area, that orange line that I drew, was heavy resistance. I could see us going back down to possibly 225 before pushing up higher there, just to get that confirmation that 225 is a support area for us. And then you can see that massive run up here there to $3 to $4. So ABT, man, we were in price discovery mode. I think by the beginning of the week, beginning of the middle of next week, we should be pretty high or pretty good up in this range here between between 275 to $3 this week. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.